How to remove or edit powered by Shopify from your store. Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how you can remove or edit powered by Shopify from your store. So in order to remove or edit your powered by Shopify on your store, first of all you need to head over to its dashboard page. While you're on dashboard page, this is how the interface is going to look like. So then to begin with, you'll need to head over to the online store section in the left hand sidebar. After that, you'll be able to see multiple links. So from here, you'll need to scroll down a bit and click on customize, which is located right in between. So after that, you'll need to scroll down a bit and next to customize, click on the three dot icon, and as soon as you've done that, go ahead and tap on edit code. Once you've done that, you'll be able to see this kind of interface. Right over here, you'll need to tap on the search bar located in the top left and type in footer, and here you'll be able to see footer. So from here you need to go ahead and tap on footer.liquid, and as soon as you've done that, on the right hand side bar you'll be able to see multiple code. Right in between, press on the code, and after that you need to type on command or control, and you need to tap on control plus F at the same time, and you need to type in powered and click the next button as soon as you're done entering it. The word powered will be highlighted here. So as you can see, this is the particular one. After that, you can see the word powered highlighted. So basically what you'll need to do is you need to select it, make sure that you've selected the correct sentence. After that, you just need to remove it. And after you've removed it, you need to click on the save button. You need to wait for the changes to be saved. As you can see that there is the statement stating that as it's saved. So that is how you can remove or edit your powered by Shopify from your store. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.